Hello guys, Matija Balantic here, and today let's talk about affiliate marketing, how to promote other people's products and you get commission for every sales that you generate from 50 to 75%. So yesterday I posted on my Facebook wall one of the proof how I made $353 with in one day, and it was Saturday when people normally don't check emails and don't do shopping. And I posted this on my Facebook wall because in the last few months a lot of people asked me how to start successful online business, and normally people don't want to show them step by step how to do it. So I decided, because of a lot of questions, that I will open again my 4-week mentoring program where I will show you step by step how to start a traffic provider business, and how to build your affiliate business, and how to brand yourself on Facebook and Instagram. And the goal of this program is that after 4 weeks you will get your own online business that will be profitable for everyone, even if you never made any money online, or even if you don't know how to do it, because everything will be really step by step. So as you can already see, I got already 73 comments on my Facebook post that people want to join my program, but because I want that you are successful, I will accept only 6 people. So let me show you that this really works. Let's log in into my Clickbank account. Log in. Okay, so you can see Bono32 is my username for Clickbank. Let's log in. 1 second. Here you go. Okay, so you can see here is the proof. So on a 14th I made sales $24, $134, $127, and $65. That was 3 days ago. That's total $353 directly into my Clickbank account. So if you don't want to create your own products, the best way and the easiest way is still promoting other people's products, where you get commission for every single sale. What you need to do is just send a simple email, and that's it. Okay, so guys, I hope this was helpful. If anybody is interested for my 4-week mentoring program, just find the link in the description box below this video. And as I told you, I will accept only 6 people because I really want that you start next year, 2019, successful. And I will show you, I will guide you that you will finally build an online business that will serve you and pays your bills for years to come. I started this business 5 years ago in 2013, and nothing has changed. It still makes me minimum $10,000 per month. That's a pure profit for me, and some months are even much bigger. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next few weeks I will start shooting more videos. I will give you more tips how to do it, and if you have any question, just please comment below this video and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.